AI is already reshaping everyday work, and the real opportunity is using it in ways that save time, sharpen thinking, and help you do your job with more confidence. We'll focus on 3 things that matter in real work: where AI can actually help, how to check whether the output is useful, and how to use it responsibly. The goal isn't to turn you into a prompt engineer. It's to help you make practical choices with tools that can support the work you already do. AI is most useful when it supports work you already know well. Think drafting a clearer email, summarizing meeting notes, or turning rough ideas into a first pass you can improve. That matters because adults learn best when new tools connect to real tasks. You're not starting over. You're applying your experience to solve problems faster and with less friction. A good question to ask is simple. What part of this task is repetitive, time-consuming, or hard to start? That's often where AI can give you the biggest lift. Confidence with AI doesn't come from trusting it blindly. It comes from a simple habit. Review the output, compare it to what you know, and check whether it fits the task and audience. If a summary misses context or a draft sounds too generic, that's your cue to refine the prompt. Add specifics, name the goal, and describe the tone or format you need. Think of AI as a collaborator for the first draft, not the final decision. Your judgment is what makes the result accurate, useful, and right for the workplace. Used well, AI can help you move faster, think more clearly, and get started with less effort. Bring your judgment, stay curious, and use it thoughtfully in the work you do every day.